Here once I want to introduce a family member who has resemblance with the genealogy of our family with a beautiful, beautiful lady that is Elizabeth Auntie. Nidhi resembles Elizabeth Auntie and we are so proud and happy. Although Auntie is not there, Nidhi reminds us of that. Now, start with it. Take up.
It was on his 70th birthday. I had prepared something to speak about my Bade Papa, but unfortunately we couldn't celebrate it on that day. I seriously don't remember those lines, but I would wish to recollect some of the points and express it. So, different people, according to me, different people have tried to look at the significance of birthday differently. So, how do I look at his birthday? It is a day of happiness, of course, but it is a day of gratitude. And what do I mean when I say gratitude? It is a day of gratitude for this wonderful child of God, for he has blessed him all his life. Jesus has not only blessed him by adding another year, but he has blessed him with good health, wealth. He has blessed him with good family. And above all, he has blessed him with this wonderful family. And this is how I look at a birthday, a day of gratitude.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So before I begin, I would like to beg a pardon to this gathering because today I am going to address him as Mr. Cyril George Samuel only. I am here to speak few words about him, not as his daughter alone, but as a bystander based on my experiences and my perception. So to begin with, I have always seen him being the strongest believer of Christ. I have seen him praying in the morning, praying in the noon time, and even when the sun goes down. And how do I say that he is a believer? I would like to narrate an instance from the hospital where my dad was breathing his last. Everybody were shattered, running around. All of us were in the hospital, jumbled. We didn't know what to do. At that time, I don't know how in that crowd, I looked at Bade Papa. He was kneeling down on the stairs and praying. He was asking God to save his brother's life, and that was a prayer of faith. Probably God was so busy that he failed to answer his prayers. And few minutes later, when the doctors gave us the bad news, unfortunately, when all the golden gates of hopes were closed, when day became darker than night, when temple of faith became temple of doubt, when all my family members were clogged with agony and crowned with melancholy, when love had become more painful than hate, even at that time I have seen him on the stairs praying along with Kenana, and that was a prayer of strength. He was asking God to give him strength so that he can protect his brother's family. He didn't know what to do. Only thing he did was he prayed. And this is how I can say that he is the strongest believer of Christ. To continue with, he is the most enchanting personality. He is cheerful, he is handsome. He still has so many fans running in and out in Bidar, which I have seen.
Oldies.
He is a teacher also to many. He teaches the young, he teaches the old. He teaches the young to grow up in life, the old to be ecstatic and strong. So he is the most encouraging personality to our family. He is the most spiritually rooted man, and we all are in Christ only because of him. We read our Bible, we do our devotion, we are spiritually rooted. I believe we are spiritually rooted, and he is the pillar of that. He is a man of sacrifices and a selfless man I have seen. And how do I say that he is the selfless man? So once in a century pandemic, when the COVID-19 hit the world, when panic, worry and fear had triggered everybody, and when people were playing hide and seek with the COVID reports, at that time, my Bade Papa dropped a text not in Spa family or George Samuel family, but in Bethlehem Colony group saying that he and his family were tested positive and asked everybody to pray for him.
And keep away.
Yes, and asked people to isolate from him. And people started doing hide and seek with their reports only because they were scared of isolation. Such a selfless man, my Bade Papa is. He is a man of sacrifices. Someone who thinks about someone else's well-being more than him. He has been a teacher to everybody. From the second brother to the seventh brother, all the suggestions are taken from him. whatever might happen, we might fight, we need Bade Papa. We might be happy, we need Bade Papa. He is just one call away from everybody. So he is the strongest believer of Christ. He is the most enchanting personality. He is ecstatic. He is the
Romantic.
He is the most enchanting personality. He is the most selfless man of sacrifices, and he is also a teacher. So these are the 4 important characteristic traits that strike my mind when I have to speak about him. So what does that stand for? B stands for believer, E stands for enchanting, S stands for selfless, and T stands for teacher. So he is the best. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Papa.